What's going on, guys? We're back again today with another RC vehicle. Today we have our first RC boat on the channel. This is a brushless version. This came straight from Banggood. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get into that crispy B-roll footage that everyone loves. Hit it. Let's start off by taking a look at the box. This is a WLToys WL915. This is the red version. Box looks pretty good. Like I said, this came from Banggood, so it came all the way from China. And packaged pretty good. No real damage, really. See, you got the green version on the back. Just tells you a little bit about the boat here. Brushless motor, 2.4 gigahertz, and a powerful propeller. This says it goes about 45 kilometers an hour, which translates to about 27 miles per hour, which is pretty fast for a boat. It also has anti-tilt correction on it, so if it flips over on the water, you should be able to flip it back and forth, and it'll flip back over automatically. So we're going to open this up in just a second, but on the side here you got the dimensions of the boat. Also says we're getting a 3S Lipo, so we're going to take a look at that. So once you pull this thing out of the box, it's all protected here by plastic. You got some instructions here. We'll take off this top layer. And inside we have the boat. Now this thing is definitely bigger than I expected. It's pretty cool. It looks pretty scale to those speed boats you see. It's got a little scale motor on the back. And to the looks of it, it looks like the whole motor turns when you're trying to turn the boat. So that servo comes out. This motor doesn't have a prop on it. The prop is underneath. But that's pretty cool. Got some cool designs on it. Propeller comes up the back there. And it looks like we have another switch there to undo it. And like most WLToys cars, we get this remote here. This is a WLToys signature remote. Steering trim, throttle trim on the side. We'll see how that works with a boat. I've never had one of these before for a boat, so we'll check it out. Looks like the foam is glued on here, and we'll see what kind of steering we get. You will need to supply 4 AA batteries. Those don't come included. So also in the box you're going to get your 3S Lipo Charger. This is specifically for a 3S battery, which is nice that they give you. Probably use this for other cars too if you have one and don't have a big expensive charger. You have the European plugs. They also give you a USA adapter, which is nice. So you'll just plug that in there and plug that right into the wall. So that's good that they supply you that. You also get a couple Allen wrenches and another propeller in case you lose it. So let's get into what everyone wants to see, the boat. To unlock it, you have 2 on the side here, 2 little clips, and then 1 on the bottom. Spin that all the way around, and this top should just kind of slide off. And this is all plastic, and inside they give you your battery. So this, again, this is a 3S battery. You can see by the balance charger right there, it's got 4 wires, which means it's 3S. It's got a little Dean's connector on it, and inside you have all of your electronics. Now this looks like a pretty clean setup here. You have your steering servo on the side. Looks like it's a little 3-wire servo. You have your brushless motor right in the center here, which goes out the bottom of the boat and spins the propeller on the back. You also have your electronic speed controller here that looks to be water cooled. So we have some piping that goes all around here. It goes into the motor, the fake motor in the back. There's a little inlet spout here, and I'm guessing water gets fed into that. It goes up in here around the bearing, which is also kind of nice, into the electronic speed controller and back out and it looks like it's going to get shot out right here. So that seems pretty cool. There's not really much else about the boat. It's pretty lightweight. In this video we are not going to drive it at all, but I just wanted to show you in the next video that we're going to put out shortly. We're going to put this in some water and check it out. This is a 1200 milliamp hour 3S LiPo that they give you. We're going to throw this on the charger and see what kind of balance charge they left it with to ship it over here. So this is my battery charger of choice. This is the Venom Pro Duo. We're going to plug this battery here in and see what kind of storage charge they gave us from the factory. You can see there, pretty good, 3.8. So they shipped this with a nice storage charge on it, and that's good to know. So if you're looking for additional batteries, this one is about 2.5 inches long by about 1.25 inches wide. Width-wise, it's about 3/4 of an inch, and it will fit in here with some extra room. So you could fit a little bit wider battery and a little bit longer battery. This just comes over like that, and that keeps your battery in place there. Another nice thing about this boat is it has a nice foam seal all the way around. So once you put your top back on, you kind of just slide it in the front, latch it down, and then this will put some pressure on that foam and keep this thing hopefully watertight. Don't forget to do the bottom one as well. So another thing to note about this boat is once you plug it in, it is on. So there's a beeping red light on the ESC receiver here, and once you turn on your remote, you have to push this in pretty far. That light goes solid, and your boat is armed. So there's no water sensor on this, so be very careful when you're out of water that you don't hit your fingers, because that will hurt, and there's nothing stopping it. Once you hit the trigger, that thing's going. So the only thing this boat needs now to get it water ready is a 413 RC sticker. We'll throw one of those on there, like so. So this is a little secret contest time for some of my USA followers. If you're one of the first 3 people to like, subscribe, and comment your state down below, I'll send you 2 413 RC stickers in the mail. Thanks again for watching. I will put out a running video of this very soon. We just got to find a body of water, hopefully within the next day or 2, and we'll get that video up. So until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.